Title: From Dreams to Reality, My Journey of Teaching English Across the World. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an incredible story to share with you, one that is filled with adventure, determination, and a passion for teaching English. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into my journey. Imagine this: a young, ambitious individual sitting in a small apartment in Toronto, dreaming of exploring the world and making a difference. That was me, several years ago. I always had a burning desire to travel, but more than that, I wanted to help people communicate and connect through the power of language. One day, I made a bold decision. I packed my bags, left behind the comfort of my home, and embarked on a journey that would change my life forever. My destination, Los Angeles. But not just a straight drive. Oh no, I had planned an epic road trip across the United States, with every stop along the way a new adventure waiting to be uncovered. First stop, Detroit, a city rich in history and culture. I wandered the streets, soaking in the vibrant atmosphere, and stumbled upon a quaint coffee shop, the Great Lakes Coffee Roasting Company. The aroma of freshly roasted beans and the warm, welcoming smiles of the baristas made me feel right at home. It was here that I met fellow travelers, exchanging stories and learning about their experiences. In Chicago, the Windy City, I was walking along the Magnificent Mile when I saw a street performer captivating a crowd with his storytelling. His tales of adventure and overcoming challenges resonated deeply with me. Inspired, I approached him after his performance, and we had a heart-to-heart conversation about the power of words and storytelling. He encouraged me to share my journey with the world. Louis, Kansas City, Denver. Each city added a new chapter to my story. But it was in the mile-high city of Denver where I had a revelation. Teaching English wasn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It was about connecting with people, understanding their cultures, and helping them find their voices. This realization fueled my passion even more. From the dazzling lights of Las Vegas to the breathtaking beauty of the Grand Canyon, every mile brought new insights. But the coastal drive from San Francisco to Los Angeles, with stops in Monterey, Santa Barbara, and Malibu, was truly transformative. The serene beaches, the rugged cliffs, and the endless ocean, they all reminded me of the vast possibilities that lie ahead. Finally, I arrived in Los Angeles, the city of dreams. Here, I began my journey as an English teacher, combining all the lessons and experiences from my road trip. I started my own English academy, dedicated to helping students not just learn English, but to embrace it as a tool for achieving their dreams. Now, I invite you to join me on this journey. Whether you're a student eager to learn, a traveler seeking adventure, or someone looking to make a difference, there's a place for you here. Subscribe to my channel, share your stories, and let's explore the world of English together. Because every word we learn, every sentence we construct, brings us one step closer to understanding each other and the world around us. So there you have it, my journey from Toronto to Los Angeles, filled with excitement, challenges, and unforgettable experiences. Thank you for being a part of this story. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep learning.